Hello and welcome to our third math lesson this week. This week we're going to be doing a multiplication review. And you might be saying, wait a minute, Mr. Ivan, we did multiplication last week. That's true. Multiplication is so important for the rest of what we're going to learn this year and even what you'll study in 6th grade and beyond that we really need to have it down pat. So let's start with a basic one. If I have 9 times 3, okay, I want you to be able to count off by 9s or count off by 3s. So take your hand and go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 9 times 3 is 27. Very good. Now, just like what we did in the other videos, we're going to rewrite it so that it is on top of one another. And remember, what I have to do is make sure it's lining up on this imaginary blue line. What was 9 times 3? 27. Now, some of you have been asking me about a multiplication chart. You can use a multiplication chart this week, and you can keep using it for the first few weeks of school, but starting in October, that's when we're going to put them away, because you'll need to have your multiplication facts memorized by then. All right, well, let's do some two-step multiplication. If I have 54 times 6, again, I got to make sure that it is lining up on the blue line. Very good, it is lining up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do some two-step multiplication. All right, ask yourself, what's 6 times 4? Very good, it's 24. 24. Uh-oh, though, I've got to pay attention to what I'm doing. Just like with subtraction and addition, I can't put this 2 over here. I have to carry it. So let's get rid of that 2. And we're actually going to carry it up here. All right, now I ask myself, what's 6 times 5? Very good, it's 30. And now I add this 2 to the 30. What's 30 plus 2? Very good, it's 32. No place to carry the 3, so I can bring it right down here. What is my answer? 324. Nice job. Now let's do it one more time. Let's take a look at a big one. Let's say 399 times 163. All right. Is it lined up? All right, good. We do have it lined up. Let's go ahead and start crunching some numbers. Let's start with 3 times 9. What's 3 times 9? Very good, it's 27. We put the 7 down here, and like what we just learned, we carry the 2. What's 3 times 9? Very good, it's still 27. Now I add this 2 to it. What is 27 plus 2? Awesome, it's 29. I write the 9 down here, carry the 2 again. Now I ask, what's 3 times 3? Very good, it's 9, and I add this 2 to it. What is 9 plus 2? Very good, it's 11. There's no place to carry the 1, so I put it right here. Okay, now here's where things get tricky, so pay attention. I get rid of the 1's place on the bottom number. I get rid of the 2 numbers that I carried. And now I put a placeholder in the 1's place. We represent that placeholder with a 0. Now I'm going to change color. Okay, now I look at this 6 and I do the same thing. I do 6 times 9. What is 6 times 9? Very good, it's 54. We write the 4 down here in the tens column. We have to make sure we have this placeholder. We carry the 5. Okay, you see why I crossed off the 2? It's so I don't get confused. Now I take 6 times 9. What do you get? Very good, it's still 54. Now I add this 5. What's 54 plus 5? 59. Good job. I write the 9 down here, carry the 5. Go back to the 6. What's 6 times 3? Very good. It's 18. Now I take 18 plus the 5 up here. What's 18 plus 5? Very good. It's 23. I write down the 3. I carry the 2. Oh, there's no place to carry a 2. Put it down here. All right, now what do I do? Well, I cross off the 6. I'm done with it. I cross off these green numbers I carried so I don't get confused. And now I'm going to change my pen color. Okay, now that I've gone 1, 2 places older, I need 2 placeholders. 1, 2 placeholders. Okay. Now I go to this one here and I start multiplying. 1 times 9. What do you get? That was easy. That's 9. 1 times this 9. What's 1 times 9? Very good. Still 9. And now 1 times 3. What's 1 times 3? Very good. It's still 3. Now you might be tempted to circle this 39,900 and say that's your answer. Not quite. I'm going to change my color one more time. And now I'm going to add them together. When I do this big two-step multiplication, I have to add the 3 lines of numbers together. What's 7 plus 0 plus 0? That's easy. That's 7. What's 9 plus 4 plus 0? Very good, that's 13. Write the 3. Do I write the 1 down here? No, you should be getting used to that by now. Write the 1, carry it up here. What's 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9? Very good, that's 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. What's 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9? Very good, that's 15. Write the 5, carry the 1. What's 1 plus 2 plus 3? Very good, that's 6. All right, I need to add a comma. Well, where do I put a comma? I always put it 3 digits in. 1, 2, 3's my comma. So what's my answer? 65,037. See? You just learned how to multiply big numbers without using a calculator. Good job.